Yeah, first day of the markets. And VIX has dropped very well, so please be cautious on your trades. Very cautious on your trades. Be cautious on your trades is my humble request. So now, 36,500 puts. I've taken a small trade, 15-point stop loss. There is no volume in that, so I want to switch out to 36,000 puts also. 36,000 puts, I don't know how much premium it's going to get, but 36,500 puts has no volume. So only less volume, so it's just spiking up my volumes if I buy. So stop loss is important for me, very important. So anybody trading on 36,000 puts also must keep the same stop losses. I've taken extra amount. So, so limit order only I want to place in 36,500 puts because uh, yeah, the reason is very simple. Yeah, because the volume is there is no volume. Yeah, so 36,000 puts are giving some 15 points odd. You want to book some money. I kept all the limit orders and just checked it out. If I get 40-50 points extra on puts, that will be really great. Okay, not bad money, it's a good money I'm making. So be cautious on your trades today, specifically today. So no drama, no nonsense. Happy trading, that should be there. It can reach up to 530 each. So rest of the volumes, let's put to cost and run 36,000 puts. Now let me put it to cost and run. So other side of the markets, I told this also they want to touch the point. So it may be a different game, completely come down from the top to bottom today. So people think about the breakouts and may buy and they can fool out, or they can straightly come down also. So that is the beauty of it. Rest of the volumes cost to cost 36,000 ports making 505 good. Anybody bought 36,500 puts also? It's already been beautiful money, guys. 520. Place a limit order and an exit. Don't put market orders. You will lose 10 points there. I have placed the order 825. Yeah, done. Have booked a bulk volume there. So I was not greedy. First thing, always make profits. So profit is profit, guys. Profit is profit. For the risk and reward ratio is beautiful money. So 825 I have booked. So it's trading at 515. So I want to book something more over here. 520 had taken out big volumes, 525, 527. So I've taken more volumes out. So 80% done, rest of 20% trailing the stop losses, morning trade. So I don't want to lose my bets. I want to be a successful trader. So if I tell a gap up, they want a gap up. They tell a gap down, they want a gap down. Otherwise, they will come down definitely. That is a thumb rule of the magic of TTR and sorry, OPSS.